Razia Khan. Today's subject is Geography. Chapter number 1, Local Time and Standard Time. What is local time? Local time, the time or place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as local time. During the rotation of the earth, when a particular longitude come exactly in front of the sun, that is noon, it's considered noon time on longitude. This noon time is considered as local time. Now, standard time. Standard time refer to the fixed time for places following in the same meridian set in a country by law. Local time at the longitude passing from the middle of a country is generally considered as standard time. Now next is latitude and longitude. These two topics is very important in this chapter. What is latitude? Latitude, the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. North or south of the equator as measured from the center of the earth. Center of the earth is called latitude. This is an imaginary line. This is the north pole, this is the south pole, this is equator. We have to measure latitude from north to south. So this is called latitude. Longitude, the angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. Prime meridian is the center of the earth as measured from the center of the earth is called longitude. So this is a longitudinal line. I hope you all understand.
So let us understand geographical explanation. We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath. Then we have breakfast and go to school. We study in our classroom. We return home. We go to the playground to play in the evening. We have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. We keep doing similar activities throughout the day. Considering our daily routine, we need to decide the time for all our activities. These are our daily routine which we all regularly do. We get up early in the morning, we take bath, we take breakfast and go to school and back from the school. So these are our regular activities. In olden day, people used to take the help of various tools and also depend on various natural events for the measurement of time on the basis of observation and experience. They divide the day into following parts: from sunrise to sunset, day, and from sunset to the next sunrise, night. A whole day being the duration from one sunrise to the next. Earlier natural events and instruments like gati, patra, a bowl with a minute hole at its base which would float in a large water filled with vessel, sand timer, etc. were used to tell time. उस टाइम पे घड़ी वड़ी नहीं होती थी, तो लोग टाइम देखना होता था तो वो लोग इस तरह से देखते थे। उन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि जब सन अराइज होता है और शाम होने लगती है तो वो डे टाइम होता है, और शाम से जो रात तलक का टाइम है, उस जब अंधेरा हो जाता है उस टाइम को उन्होंने नाइट टाइम दिया नाम। और फिर वन सनसेट से दूसरे सनसेट तलक ए होल डे उन्होंने उसे क्या नाम दिया, एक पूरा दिन का नाम दिया। The earth takes 24 hours, that is 1 day, to complete whole rotation. We consider the direction where the sun arise to be the east. As we all know कि sun कहाँ से arise होता है और sunset कहाँ होता है। sun arise होता है from west to east से, ठीक है। As a result, we experience sunrise, moon, sunset and midnight. During rotation, the longitude in the western part face the sun gradually, while those in the east experience darkness. जब सन अर्थ से बहुत दूर होता है तो उस टाइम क्या होती है, डार्कनेस हो जाती है। जब सन अर्थ के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होता है तो उस टाइम डार्कनेस हो जाती है, मतलब अंधेरा हो जाता है, और उस टाइम को हम क्या कहते हैं, नाइट टाइम कहते हैं। ओके, लॉन्गिट्यूड विच फेसेस द सन एक्सपीरियंस सनराइज। While traveling in a bus, we often see trees, electric poles, building, etc. outside the window. They appear to be moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are stationary and our bus is moving forward because of the rotation of the earth. We feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. जब हम कोई भी व्हीकल या कोई भी चीज़ से ट्रैवल करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं हमारे आउटसाइड जैसे इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स हो गए, ट्रीज़ हो गई, बिल्डिंग्स हो गई, वी फील कि दे ऑल आर मूविंग, राइट। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है। दिस इज़ द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ फ्रॉम east to west. That's why we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. But it's not like that. Sun is not changing their position. It is the rotation of the earth. I hope you understood the standard time, local time, latitude, longitude. In next video I will continue this chapter. Till then, thank you.